Hi, I'm Jeff, and you want to know why use Microsoft Excel? Well, if you are never interested in doing anything with computers or numbers or lists or your favorite flavors or favorite books or favorite movies or anything like that ever, don't. But if you ever have a reason to use a spreadsheet, which you probably will in this day and age, go ahead and use Excel. It's one of the foremost spreadsheet applications on the market. It absolutely is just about everywhere. Almost everybody has it if they've got any spreadsheets at all. So it's a good choice. Now, with a spreadsheet, it's basically based on the old accounting worksheets that the number crunchers used to use way back when, before computers. They used to put it all out on paper, and you can see here that we're doing basically what they did with the rows and columns. Each one of these squares is called a cell. It has the information that you need in it. Now, the cool part about an application for spreadsheets is that it'll update the information you need to update on the fly. You put in the data the right way, you put in the formulas the right way, and none of the things have to change unless you want them to, and everything else will change along with it. You can see here that I've got lists of books with their ISBN numbers and page numbers. I can sort this pretty simply by going up to Data and Sort by the title, and now they're all alphabetical by title. You can see over here that I've got a grade sheet. And here I've got Tom had an 89 on his final exam, but you know what? It turns out he didn't. He cheated. So I'm going to give him a 0. And you can watch his grade and his letter grade reduce thanks to that, because they're updating based on the rest of the data in the row. Instead of values, they're formulas. It's that simple. That's the cool part about spreadsheet applications. Everything updates automatically. It does what you needed to do and lets you know what you need to know. I'm Jeff, and this is all about why you should use Microsoft Excel.